Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2008 Triumph Thruxton 900. This is Triumph's full-size classic cafe racer. Has the 865cc two-cylinder engine, carbureted, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has very low miles, only 7,159 miles on the odometer. This bike runs very well, has new tires, front and rear, has an aftermarket headlight modulator, frame sliders, two-cylinder engine makes good torque, good power, classic retro lines. Bike is very good looking and priced at $59.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach us at 408-730-0600.